What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer. Now, I just wanted to talk to you guys about these Sunnysky motors. People have been saying that these Sunnysky motors have a tendency to disassemble themselves when in flight. They're saying that the bell actually comes loose from the shaft and it just causes crashes, and they're saying that the bells were loose. And someone did a video on it, and they were pointing out the differences between the newer version and the older version. The newer versions are updated with a little stopper on the shaft to stop the bell from flying off it. And so we were taught how to detect the old ones from the new ones. And so here I have one of the ET100 motors here, and right around this area here, let me see if I can get my cam to focus. Right around this area here, they're saying that there's a space that you'll be able to see. And if you see the space, then you have the ones that are faulty, and the bell could potentially come off. The fix is just to Loctite the bell to the shaft there. But this one looks a little weird. This one doesn't have a space in between it, but you can't really see the stopper either. But I have checked the Mini Fight here and the Innov 120, and I'm happy to inform you guys that the versions that I've received, the models that I received, actually have that stopper on it. So this came with the new motors, and this one came with the new Sunnysky motors with the stopper on the shaft. So just a quick public service announcement to let you guys know that I got good versions of these Sunnysky motors, so my bells don't fly off. Thanks for watching.